Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. I'm so happy to have you. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of our favorite recipes. My family and I love these recipes. They are absolutely perfect for cold weather because they are hot and cheesy and delicious. Let's get started. Our first recipe is cheesy potato casserole, and here are the ingredients that you'll need. 20-ounce bag of shredded hash browns, 3/4 stick of butter melted, 1 16-ounce carton of sour cream, 1 16-ounce bag of shredded mild cheddar cheese, 1 can of cream of chicken soup with herbs, and 2 cups crushed corn flakes. You will also need some salt and pepper, and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You'll start by mixing the shredded cheddar cheese and the hash browns into a large mixing bowl. It is easier if you do half of each bag at a time. Then you'll add your whole can of cream of chicken soup. Then your 16-ounce carton of sour cream. Some salt and pepper. We just eyeball this. We do not measure it out. We just sprinkle some salt and then try to cover the top with some pepper. Now it's time to mix everything together, and you just want to keep stirring it until everything is mixed equally. Spread your mixture into a 9x13 pan. We do use these throwaway pans because it's easier for cleanup once it's empty. We can just toss it instead of having to wash a pan. Now for the topping, you want to melt 3/4 stick of butter in the microwave, and then you want to crush corn flakes until that equals 2 cups. Now pour the melted butter over the crushed corn flakes and mix it until it's all evenly mixed. Then you want to pour that mixture over your original mixture in the pan. the potato casserole in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. And when it is done, it will be cheesy and delicious. We absolutely love this. This is one of our all-time favorite recipes. And if you guys make it, we hope you enjoy it too. Our second recipe is ham and cheese pinwheels. You will need 1 cup of mild cheddar shredded cheese, 1 cup of ham, 1 can of crescent rolls, and 1 medium egg. First, you want to finely chop up your ham to equal 1 cup. And if you're like Leo, you want to taste test as much ham as possible to make sure it's delicious. Once you've chopped it up and it equals 1 cup, you pour that into your mixing bowl. And then you add in 1 cup of your shredded cheese along with 1 egg and a little dash of pepper. And if you want an extra bit of flavor, you can add a tiny bit of mustard. We didn't do that this time, but we have before in the past, and it's just as good. It's delicious. Once you have all your ingredients in the bowl, you want to mix everything together until it's equally mixed. Now you want to lay out some wax paper, open up your can of crescent rolls and spread the sheet out flat. And then you want to cut that in half so that you can make 2 separate rolls of the pinwheels. Then you'll spread your mixture onto each half and roll that up. Then a little trick that we've learned making this so many times is you want to place each roll in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes just to get it nice and cold again, because if the dough gets too hot, it does stick to your hands and it makes it almost impossible to cut into pinwheels. Once they are nice and chilled and you remove them from the freezer, then you want to start cutting the larger rolls into the smaller pinwheels and place them on your baking pan. As you can see, the dough has already started to warm up, so it's really sticking to my husband's hands as he's trying to cut it, and it just makes it a lot more difficult once that dough starts getting warmer. So if you need to, during the cutting process, you can place them back in the freezer for a few minutes just to get them nice and chilled again, and it'll make it so much easier to cut them. Now it's time to bake them, and these bake at 350 degrees as well, and we bake them for a total of 15 minutes. Since we do have two separate pans, we set the timer for 8 minutes, and then once it goes off, we swap the pans and do it for 7 more minutes just so they all get cooked evenly. And this is what they look like when they're done. They are so delicious. They're my favorite. I love them. The boys love them. Taylor, he liked the potato casserole better than the pinwheels, but they're both a hit with our babies. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know down in the comments what you think about these recipes if you get to make them yourself. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I upload a video. Have a great day. Bye guys.